of the scientist. Let me introduce to you my friend, Dr. Shang. Can you do it? Oh, where's the scientist? Hey, what's wrong? Oh, tell to be the gorilla. Oh no, and the gorilla is howling again. Be careful. Back down, everybody, back down. Back down, boy. So dangerous. Oh, hey, look, a lot of amazing animals. What kind of animal you see? Please tell me. Elephant, Zebra. Exactly, giraffe. Yeah, elephant, yes, it is. So, let me ask you another question. Do you know what's the difference between male zebra and female zebra? Oh, let me tell you. The male zebra is the black with the white stripe, but the female one is the white with the black stripe. It's easy, right? It's easy, right? Next time you can tell your friends. Maybe they don't know, okay? Alright, let's move on. Let's see what next. Hey, look at that! It's hippo! But be careful, their mouth. Very smelly. Hey, and look! And the scientist is here! Look at that! Oh! But the last one is my colleague! Oh no, what happened to you? Well, anybody can help! I repeat, anybody can help! No? Who said no? Gentlemen! Sorry, Skip, we can't have you see that. This gentleman rejects you, okay? If anything happens, please find him. Don't jump, Your name is Jack. You jump, I jump. No, don't scare me. Okay, let's go. Bye. Bye. Alright. Oh, hey, and we're in the locals' house now. Let's say hello to them, to my friends. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Anybody? No one here?
I think they're shy.
Oh, be careful the backside. Are you guys alright?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, lucky. Nobody get hurt. You know what? If somebody get hurt, I will lose my job. And so please don't. Alright, let's do it. Oh no, be seen everybody. Oh no, it's forest. I think we're in the wrong way again. Oh no, and we have nowhere to go. What should we do? Oh, hi. Baby. Oh, don't worry, sir. Yeah, he's a good boy now. Yeah. Trust me. Good boy, right? Yes, it is. Alright, next forest. Welcome back. So before we go, please put your hand and elbow inside.